Hi, this is John with WTI, and this guy here, the JSAUX cables, are one of my favorite ones. And let me tell you why. One of the main things that I like about this cable is that it's 10 feet tall. That like it can go from side to side in your house, and it just works great. The materials and the build quality of this is just great. It's built out of this cord that you can twist it, turn it to different sides, move it from one place to another, and it's never going to give you any problems at all. And the good thing is that right here in the two ends of the Type-C and the USB-A port, they are reinforced that you can twist it to different places because it has rubber. This rubber protects the cable for not to bend to more than where it should be, and it's going to be a good protection. This is a high-speed cable that is going to be worth it and going to be here for a long time with you. So if you're looking for some great cables that are going to be long from place to place, so you don't have to be balling around and moving whenever you're charging your phone or your tablet, these ones are great. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.